everyone. In this video, we'll discuss a very important topic of technical SEO, which is known as Schema Markup or schema.org. So I'm going to divide this topic into two different videos. In the first video, we'll discuss the theory part and I'll show you some real-time examples on Google. And in the second video, we will create and add schema on a sample website and I'll show you how you can do it. Right? So we'll see all of this in these two parts. So first, understand what is schema.org. So Schema Markup is a structured data vocabulary that helps search engines better understand the information on your website. So for instance, you have a website and you want search engines to understand what your website is about or what your business is about, right? So in that case, you will add Schema Markup. In other words, schema.org tells search engines about your website. So historically, what used to happen was that every search engine like Google, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, they used to individually and independently go to your website and they used to crawl and display it as per their rules and regulations. After a period of time, all of these search engines, the major ones, came together and they collaborated to have a common language that can apply on websites, which can help all these search engines understand what the website or web page is about, what are its types, its services, and other information. Right? So what are the different kinds of schema? The first one is organization. So if you have an organization, you need to apply this organization schema. The second one is person. So if you are a person, a celebrity, a sports person, etc., then you can apply a person schema. The third one is video. If you are adding a video, then you can also apply or add a video schema, which will show the video on Google or other search engine result pages. The fourth one is local business. So if you are a local business like a dentist or a local shop, then you need to inform search engines that your business is not a multinational or international business. Yours is purely a local business. So in that case, your business need to show up in local listings, right? So in that case, you will apply a local business schema. The fifth one is article, recipe, frequently asked questions, breadcrumbs, and events. So these are the different schema types. All these schemas are very important, and on a web page you can apply more than one schema. For example, you can apply both the organization schema and video schema, or organization plus recipe. We will see now how you can use these or find these schemas. Let me exit this show and take you to Google. So as you can see over here, I have entered something called pasta dishes. You will see over here three cards. The first card, all these three cards shows pictures, right? If I scroll down, you will see more pictures, but there are more chances that a user might click on one of these three cards because it shows on the top of Google search engine result pages. You will see the pasta recipes, which is the title. This is the author or the website, BBC Good Food. There are no reviews, and they have mentioned something called spaghetti over here. The second one, again, the title, the business website ahead of time, the rating. Now the rating is missing over here, but you can see the rating over here. There are two ratings, 20 minutes and pasta. The third one is more comprehensive and more detailed. You'll see the title, the business website. There are 73 ratings over here. It takes 25 minutes to prepare this pasta, and you will also see some description like skinless, chicken breast, spinach, heavy cream, etc. Right? So let me just open up this particular card, and you will see this website opening up. And as you can see, I can see the same picture that I've seen before. There's also a video over here, and scrolling down further, you will see what you will need to make this creamy garlic chicken pasta. You will see all of these ingredients, right? And so on. So to find out if this page is really using schema, what you need to do is you need to go to the source code. So you'll have to click on Ctrl+U. I'm going to click on Ctrl+U, and you will come to the source code page, and I'm going to click on Ctrl+F, and immediately the schema word gets populated over here. Now if it doesn't show, if it's empty, you can still type over here schema, and you will see over here all the schemas are highlighted. If I scroll down, maybe you'll see more schema. So I'll just try to understand what this schema is about. First of all, let me take this example. So context is schema, type, you can see over here type is recipe, name is creamy garlic. If you remember, we had seen this creamy garlic, right? I'll just go back. Okay, creamy garlic. All right, and recipe name, type is recipe, name is creamy garlic with tomato and spinach. Let me just scroll to the right. Now you can see the author over here. Author is type person, right? Layla, that's the name given. Description: chicken pasta as a garlic tomato cream sauce is the ultimate comfort meal, right? Scrolling down further to the right, you can see that it's made with pasta, chicken, spinach, seasonings. This is what it was showing on Google as well, right? A bit of more description, right? And you will also have to add the date published, right? Image, so you'll have to upload an image. Now you will see all of this, how you can add it in the next video, where I will show you a website that you can open and you can enter all the information that you would want to add. And scrolling further, you will see over here this image upload. The image size is 500 by 500. Let's see further what more it has. It has some more information, right? So you'll find all of this information over here. Skillet, there's something, this you can add as much as you want. Now they have also added the social media icons, the URLs over here. You'll see Facebook here, and you will see the Facebook account that they have linked. They have linked the Instagram account, right? They've also put in their email, right? So they've added all of this information. So this ensures that your website stands a better chance of coming to the top of search engine result pages when you use a schema. Let me give you another example. I've just written over here airline tickets to US, and if I come down, you will see these FAQs. Now remember, I told you that one of the schema is FAQs, and this is from skyscanner.com. Another FAQ that you see over here is expedia.com. They have also added FAQs. I'm going to take this example. I'm going to open this skyscanner.com, and again going to the source code, which is Control+U. All right. As soon as I go there, I'll click on Control F, and let me see if they have added any schema. Yes, the schema is over here, and you will see breadcrumb list. So they have added a breadcrumb schema, and this is the type, and you will see over here all the information related to this particular schema. All right, so you'll see everything that's skyscanner.com, the type. You'll see everything related to the schema over here. Okay, let me take another example. I've written over here HubSpot, and as you can see, there's a search box over here, and you have some URLs over here which takes you to different pages. Now these are called breadcrumbs. All right, breadcrumb is another schema type. So, and you'll find over here some latest blogs. Similarly, you can also go, let me check if they have added a schema. If you want to check that, just go to the website, Control+U, Control F. I'm going to click on schema, and they haven't added any schema, but they have added the hreflang. Let me check again if they have any schema. No, they haven't added any schema over here. All right, let me give you another example. I've typed over here Michael Phelps. So here you will see a knowledge panel from Wikipedia. Now this is called as a knowledge panel. You can see Wikipedia over here, which shows all the information of Michael Phelps, his date of birth, spouse, height, children, medals, etc., and his social media profiles. All right, so you will see over here one website, swimsun.com, which shows his image. You will see some more videos, etc. Let's take the example of this particular website, and let's see if they have any schema. Right, to check the schema, like I said, it's very easy. So you will immediately see the schema over here. It's coming up, and they're using your schema graph. All right, so you'll see over here context. You will see, let me scroll to the right, the URL over here, his bio. So you'll see all the information that they have added about Michael Phelps. The image, right, they have added the image URL, and his biography, you can see over here in the description. What is the description? His biography. They've also added breadcrumbs. All right, so you'll see all the information that they've added. So this way you can clearly check what the information is and what they have added for each website. Just going back to my presentation, so here you can see why schema important for SEO. So it tells search engines about your website, right? It gives more information about your website or web page to search engines. It improves appearance of your website, right? So by showing cards or videos or search boxes, breadcrumbs, etc., it improves the appearance of your website. It helps search engine crawl better and index faster. Yes. It helps in improving the website ranking. Yes, because you get more clicks and you are adding schema. It leads to improved organic click-through rate. So obviously once your schema shows up and your position goes up in SERPs, obviously it improves your click-through rate. It improves keyword positions and it boosts sales and return on investment. So schema markup is very, very important, and a lot of business owners and organizations fail to add schema on their website, and they struggle to get instant rankings or quick rankings, right? So in the next video, I'll show you how you can create and add schema on your website using Google Tag Manager. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.